Do you like anime and PCs? Then you can't miss this collaboration. This is the MSI Evangelion E-Project Collection. And man, does it look good. And we gotta thank MSI for sending this out. But you also might be wondering, like, who am I? And how'd you get this? Well, I was recognized because of my TikTok and IG. Over there, I do unboxings, overviews, sound tests of tech and keyboards. If you guys want to check me out, I'll leave a link down below. So, I'm the Asian JC, and I like tech. I think that works. What's up? This was a 4-piece set that was themed after Evil 1. It includes a case, a motherboard, a liquid cooler, and a PSU. But you came to see the parts, right? So, let me show you. This is the Evangelion's E-Project Liquid Cooler. The MAG Core Liquid C240. And like in the name, it has a 240mm radiator, which comes with two ARGB 120mm fans. They also added a nice purple accent. And the first thing you notice is the iconic Nerve logo on the water block. It also has RGB. And this comes with evaporation-proof tubing. I'm talking 3 layers. It's compatible both with Intel and AMD motherboards. It also has support for LGA 1700. It has high thermal dissipation because of the split pathways through the radiator. Another thing to note, the pump is integrated into the radiator, which I found really neat. And the pump motor itself has resonance elimination, which generates minimal vibration and gives you long-lasting operations. With the pump motor being integrated into the radiator, you get some benefits. It dampens the sound and improves life expectancy of your cooler. It moves the pump away from the heat source, which improves life expectancy. Now let's talk about the motherboard. And man, does this thing look sexy. Like, the purple on this is just too good. And the motherboard in this collection is an MAG B660 Tomahawk. That's actually a hammer. Yeah, it supports Intel 12th Gen CPUs, and it comes with an LGA 1700 socket, and it's an ATX form factor motherboard. And it has a 12+1+1 duet rail power system, which means it can handle heavy loads from setting demanding games. I'm looking at all the people that play on high and ultra, like plus ultra. Wait, wrong anime. And this thing has a ton of integrated cooling features. Has it for VRM, PCB, SSD, and the system itself. It also has fortified PCIe 4.0 and 3.0. And with 3.0, you have Crossfire. It also has 3 Gen 4 M.2 connectors. And to cool those, they have their new M.2 Shield Frozer, which is MSI's most advanced thermal solution, offering the best possible protection to ensure maximum SSD transfer speed performance. And for memory, it has 4 channels of DDR5. And you can overclock up to 6200 megahertz. Can you just think about that? 6200 megahertz? But speaking of RAM, we have 32 gigabytes of Kingston Fury. And this is DDR5 at 5200 megahertz. Oh yeah. I'm actually really excited about that. And man, I'm impressed with this RAM. It's 50% faster than DDR4. And if you guys are overclocking, this thing has improved stability, so knock yourself out. And for the ports, you have Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, 2.5G LAN, USB 3.2 Gen 2, a Type-C, and HD audio. This is one of the best looking motherboards I've ever seen, because that purple just looks good. Okay, moving on. Now for the case. This is the MPG Gungnir 110R Evangelion E-Project Gaming Case. And as you can see on the tempered glass, there's Japanese text, and in the back, there's some awesome art of Evil 1. It also comes with 4 ARGB fans. And speaking of fans, for fan support, you can fit up to 6. And in the case, you can fit up to a regular size ATX motherboard. And for radiators, on the top, you're able to mount a 240mm radiator. And in the front, a 360mm. But to do that, you're gonna have to remove the HDD tray. For ports, we're looking at USB 3.2 Gen 2, a Type-C, and a port for audio and a mic. It also comes with an Insta Light Loop button that instantly lets you control the RGB at your fingertips. And also in the case, you have a PSU shroud, a little cutout, to show off the awesome PSU. And speaking of the PSU, I saved this one for last for a reason, but let me tell you about it first. This is the MAG A650BN, and like everything else, it's rocking the aesthetic of the Evil 1. This power supply has an 80 plus bronze rating, has a 120mm low noise fan, and what helps that is the fan sleeve bearing. This has DC to DC circuit design, which helps reduce instability of the output voltage, and adds stability to the supply of power. And it also has comprehensive circuit protection. For connectors, it has a 24-pin for the motherboard, an EPS 8-pin, 2 PCIe 8-pin connectors, 5 SATA connectors, 2 Molex, and 1 for FDD. But man, this set is incredible. And Evangelion E-Project is a new esports brand, so I'm hoping they make more cool stuff. And that's everything in the MSI Evangelion E-Project collection. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. Oh, you're still here. Well, for a long time, people have asked me for a setup tour. Yeah. Are you interested in that? Let me know in the comments.